Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all is well. Here on my channel, I like to discuss anything about nails, whether it's business, reviews, tutorials, and so on. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a tutorial for Beetles. So I have some gels that they sent me, and I have their gel extension kit. So I haven't tried this out. I'm really eager to give it a try and see how it is. Alright, so first things first, I'm just going to check out the gels that were sent over. There's 6 gels in this. So it looks like they are like purples and blues. I'm going to take my swatch sticks. And let's see. Okay, so here's the first one. Oh, this is pretty. It's very thick. I don't know about you guys. I like thick gels. I like them to be thicker. I don't like the really thin sheer gels that you have to build up. I like to do 1 or 2 coats. And this one, you can see that you could use just 1 coat probably, especially if you're doing a gel manicure. That's really pretty. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side in the lamp. We're gonna go to the next one. Let's try out this pink color. All right, we're gonna go into this one here. Alright, and so while my swatches are curing, I am going to open this package now. So this is the tips and the glue set. So these are the extensions. Let's keep this open. Okay. Application. We have all the nail tips. I got the almond shape. How do we feel about almond? I really like almond. And at first I didn't like it at all. I was like, oh, it's not for me. But it looks so pretty and I feel like it looks good on everyone's hands. Alright, so we got some nail tips here. We have our application guide. We have a nail tip cutter, which is cool. So if I wanted to cut these into like a coffin or a square, I could. We have a nail file. We have our nail glue gel. And we have a little lamp. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and set this up. All right, we're gonna take a look at this application guide. So if you've never used gel extensions before, I would definitely go over the application guide. But you know, if you have used gel extensions before, then you probably won't need it. But we're gonna actually just follow along with what the instructions say and see, you know, how well they hold up. So it just says, you know, to file, buff the nails, cleanse the nails, choose the size, and then we're just going to apply the nail glue to the tip itself and then apply it to the nail, cure it, all of that. Okay, so now that we know what we have to do, I'm just gonna take these out and find my sizes. So let's see if these sizes are going to be what I typically wear. Alright, so we're going to try this first one on. As you can see, it doesn't really fit my nail because it doesn't fit sidewall to sidewall. So when you're doing these, you know, you want them to fit sidewall to sidewall with no gap. So we're going to put that back. And I'm going to grab the bigger size, and the biggest size is 0. 0 is always going to be the largest size in any nail tip or full cover nail. Alright, we're going to put that on. Okay. That works a lot better. So I'm just going to set that to the side. And when you're sizing your nails out, you want to make sure that you're getting the sizes on both fingers, because sometimes your nail beds are different sizes on your hand. So like this one is slightly bigger. It's out of focus. This nail is slightly bigger, so I'm going to have to alter that a little bit so it will fit. Okay, so one thing about these gel extensions is that they do run a little bit smaller than some of the other gel extensions I've tried. So if you have larger nails, I don't think I'd really recommend this product for you unless you're willing to alter the nails a little bit, which takes a little extra work. And how you'd make them work would just be to apply them a little bit higher up from your cuticle area and then fill in the gap with gel. Okay, so I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna prep this hand. So what I'm gonna do is just take the more coarse side and buff the nail. I'm not gonna file my nail on the top to shape it just because I don't need to do that. I just wanted to mention that I'm not thoroughly buffing the nail like I would with my e-file or even with the hand file, just because I'm lightly doing it for the video. So if you're doing it at home, you want to make sure that you buff all the way around your nail down to the cuticle on the side, as you can see right here. But do it thoroughly, don't over-file, but you want to make sure that your entire nail is roughed up so that way the gel sticks on your nail. I'm just going to take this alcohol wipe, dehydrate the nail, and remove any of the dust. So you can use an alcohol wipe, you can use acetone, you can use rubbing alcohol if you have it in a little container or something, which is what I typically will use, or like a dehydrator. Multiple options. Alright, so that is good to go. And now what we have to do is just take our gel that we have right here and apply it to the nail. Just testing and seeing how thick it is. So I guess we'll start with, I don't know, my pointer finger. Usually I start with like my pinky to thumb, but I haven't used one of these lamps in so long. I'm used to like the overhead lamp that I just like keep on and it's like hands-free. So with this one, I'm not too sure. Okay, so I have my gel on here. And now, let's see. Okay, we have that on. Let me move my bottle. And what I'm gonna do is just put this on at an angle and apply. Okay, and then we're gonna slide it under the light. All right. So we got the first one on. I got a little gel on there, but that's okay, it's all right. All right, and now we're gonna go on to the next. And I don't know if this is like, I don't know if it's tapped, turn on, off. It like comes on and off, so. And how I like to apply gel when I'm doing the extensions is to apply a layer like the length of the nail and then scoop some on the bottom so it goes all the way up to the top. And I'm just gonna hit, okay, I guess it turns, all right, there we go. I don't know. All right, and so I'm just gonna put it on an angle and push down. All right, and go all the way up and then under. And so really what I usually do is just like put the nails under the light to flash cure for like 10 seconds, and then we're gonna do a full cure in the actual lamp. This just holds it in place. All right, we got 2 nails on. Without moving the lamp. Oh my gosh. So another thing you can try to do is move your nail from side to side. That way the light isn't directly in one spot, and it'll help avoid any heat spikes, which, you know, don't feel too good. It didn't last a second, but it's definitely hot and it hurts. All right, look at that. Yes. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to cure my nails in the lamp. So you're just gonna cure this for 60 seconds, I think. That's what well, usually I like do it longer. I don't know, I'm like, well, you know, can never be too cured, right? So I usually do it for like 90 to 120 seconds, just to be safe. All right, so now what we're gonna do, did I put this one slightly crooked? Oh no, but that's okay, just file it. So these are the medium almond pre-shaped gel nails, and this whole kit is only $28. Super affordable, and you can get this from the Beetles website or even their Amazon store. And what I'm doing here is I'm just smoothing the top, because sometimes there's that little piece on the edge. Just gonna file it all the way around, make sure it's completely smooth. And if you know you put your nail on a little crooked like I did with my thumb, you can adjust it. Oh no, okay. We all see what happened here. This is completely, that one's completely, oh no. All right, let's, this one might be a little skinnier than the rest. That's all right, we're gonna fix it. Oh goodness. Let's see, that is just, incredibly, wow. I just did not see, I told you guys, I was like, the pinky is gonna be hard for me to do because the way the lamp was. Ugh. All right, don't be like me. Set your lamp up so you can get the best angle. All right, so I mean, whatever. It's okay. We're just gonna leave it. We're just gonna, because I could just file and soak it off, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna leave it. Okay, now I'm just gonna go around the cuticle. Make sure it's flush to the nail. Go over the top a little bit just to give it some texture. And this is a time where you can get any gel that may have seeped out on the sides, like over here on the pointer finger. Just gonna dust these off. All right, so let's see. What color did we like? Do we want to put on my nails? These are the swatches from earlier. All of these colors are really pretty. I do like the shimmery one a lot, but I'm like, this color right here would probably look good. So I might do that. Okay. We're actually gonna use this one, my favorite one. I don't know why I wouldn't use this to begin with. I was like, let's use that like purplish color, but no, we're using this one. All right, now I'm gonna go with my second coat. All right, this is after the second coat. Now I'm going to add something on my nails because I hate plain nails. So we have to add a little something. So we're gonna put this and we're going to probably do some flames or something like that. One thing I really like about this gel, besides the 1 to 2 coat coverage, is how thick this gel is. And with a thick gel, you can get more use out of it. Besides just painting your nails regularly, you can use it for nail art because it's so thick, it doesn't run, so it's easy to control whenever you're doing line work. So yeah, that way, this even helps you like save money on investing in those, you know, liner brushes. Why would you spend extra money on that when you can just use your regular polish and double it for like a nail art gel? All right, this is the finished result. Went in with some flames. They're always my favorite. I will wear flames for forever. Now I'm just gonna put this cuticle oil on. Will I do my other hand is the question. Day 5, still going strong. I'm doing dishes and my nails are still on without any lifting. So I definitely feel like I could easily wear these for 2 weeks. I'm probably just gonna take them off now though, just because I wanted to test them out. Some of the tips of my nails are kind of chipped and scraped, but that's because I do not protect my nails when I'm doing other people's nails.